Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, October 29th. Welcome to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and let's talk about what was moving the markets yesterday. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For personalized investment solutions and high-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, Monday started this high-stakes week with a solid boost in stocks. The Dow led the pack, climbing over 250 points, or nearly 0.7%. Meanwhile, the Standard & Poor's 500 and the Nasdaq Composite each moved up about 0.3%, as investors braced for a lot of major updates. What's the big deal about this week? We've got 5 of the Magnificent 7 tech giants reporting earnings. Alphabet, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta are all set to share their results. Investors are paying close attention to see if big tech's bets on AI are actually paying off in profits. With so many companies reporting, the Standard & Poor's 500 might get the boost it needs to reach new highs. In fact, 169 companies in the index are dropping their numbers this week, making it one of the busiest stretches of earnings season. And earnings aren't the only thing on the radar. We're also looking at critical economic data that could shake up predictions on interest rates. The Federal Reserve's preferred inflation metric comes out soon, along with October's jobs report. Both of these numbers could play into whether the Fed sticks with rate cuts at their November meeting. Adding to the week's political drama, shares of Trump Media and Technology Group continued a 5-week rally, jumping as much as 20% on Monday. This comes after a high-profile and somewhat controversial rally by Donald Trump over the weekend in New York. And over in commodities, oil prices saw a significant drop. Israel's retaliation against Iran was limited to military targets, avoiding oil and nuclear facilities, which helped calm energy markets. Oil futures dropped about 6%, the largest one-day dip in over 2 years. Brent settled around $71, while West Texas Intermediate closed just above $67 per barrel. That's your quick wrap on the markets. Stay tuned for the rest of the week as big tech earnings and economic data keep coming in. Thanks for joining me on Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another fast update.